What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a standing calf raise. Okay, so I really love, for my calves I only do standing calf raises because it's really good exercise for the calves. Now if you want to hit the full angle of the calves, you also have to do a variation of a sitting calf raise because that hits them from a different angle, but that's for another video. So now I'm going to show you how to perform a correct standing calf raise. So it's easier if you have a squat rack. You just put the bar on your traps just like with the back squat. But if you don't, you just have to jerk up the weight, put it behind your neck, and put it on your traps. So, first step, get the bar on your traps, like I said, straight back, be straight, and you have to have an elevated surface. You see, I don't have anything special, I just have two weighted plates, very thick plates, put on the ground. I put my half of my foot on there, about half, and then I go up with my fingers. See, back. I don't go all the way down. I don't rest at the bottom. I just lightly touch the floor with my heels. When I lightly touch the floor with my heels, then I explode back up. So I go down slowly, touch with the heels, and explode up. And at the top of the movement, guys, I do a slight pause because I want to really get that squeeze and tension in the calf muscles. That's the best way to make them grow. So really get that squeeze at the top of the movement. Now I'm going to show you from this angle. Like I said, two elevated plates are going to be good. You don't need any special surface, anything like that. That's such bullshit. Grab the bar, put it on your traps, just like with a regular squat. Walk back. Then I put about, like I said, half the foot so I can get a good calf squeeze, So just like that. Then I breathe in, go up, and go down slowly and breathe out. That's the best way to do it, So go up, squeeze the calves at the top of the movement. Like this, you see the squeeze and a little bit pause. Then go down slowly, touch the floor with the heels. And then when you touch the floor, then it's time to explode back up. You see? Bam. You see, squeeze, then go back down, touch the floor with the heels, and explode back up. So this is my regular working set. I don't use very heavy weight for my calves. I like to use a little bit lower weight but higher reps. I still go to failure just like any other exercise. I just do a little bit lower weight with higher reps. Reps between about 8 to 12. That's because you need a little more reps to stimulate calf growth. So I'm going to show you from another angle now. This is going to be the last set that I show you. So this is going to be from the front. I'm using a little bit heavier weight so you guys can see my normal, heavy set of calf raises. It helps a lot if you have a squat rack, guys. I definitely recommend you get one. It's going to be a lot easier with a lot of the exercises, but if you don't, you can still manage. You can still get the weight up on your neck. It's going to be hard, but you can still manage it, but you're going to have to use lighter weights. So like I said, get the bar. This is going to be once again the full steps, so get the bar on your traps. About shoulder width apart is going to be good. A little less than shoulder width apart, as you can see. A little less. So now on an elevated surface, half the foot on, half the foot off, so the heels have to be at a decline and the toes have to be at an incline. That's the best way to explain it. So then you go up, squeeze at the top of the movement to squeeze the calf muscles. bam, exploding up, going down slowly, touching the floor with the heels, just slightly touching, and then when you touch it, it's time to go back up. Bam, and you know, you should do calf raises as slow as possible, because that's gonna put most time under tension on the calves to make them grow. So that was it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out, guys.